All right, it's 100 days of Keto Chow. Today is day 28. It's officially the 4-week mark. Yay. So that's 4 weeks down and like a little more than 10 weeks to go. Still going okay. I think if I remember correctly, I'm down like 17 and a half pounds as of today. I got the city weight loss challenge results for last week came in yesterday. I'm in 10th place for the weight loss of last week. They haven't given us an overall who's in first, second, or third. So I've had pretty steady, moderate weight loss. There are a couple people that have lost like 8% of their body weight in a week, which is like kind of crazy. Anyway, so we'll see how well I keep on with the moderate weight loss. Anyway, let's see what's going on today. I did just finish recording a video, kind of an explainer screen sharing thing to show people how to use the calorie calculator on the Keto Chow website, and how to calculate how many calories they should have per day. So just kind of explain that. I guess there are people that need that, so I'm going to give it to them. In better news, I haven't heard back from them today, but as of the news I got last night, they were going to be finishing, the place that's doing the packaging of our samples was going to be finishing up finishing up their last project, cleaning up the machine, starting on our stuff sometime this evening. So they might be busting out vanilla.
Knock on wood?
Yeah, knock on wood. We'll see. So based on previous experience, it's taken, Carrie, you don't have to walk like that. Anyway, I mean, Miriam's talking the whole time, so. Okay. You can just order those. Did Holly order those? She's going to Sam's Club right now.
I know, I hope so.
Okay.
I think we're
Anyway, it all comes back to if you use the last roll of toilet paper in the bathroom, make sure you get more. Right? Welcome to adulthood. Anyway, so let's see, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, so based on past experience, it will probably take them about a week or so to finish up doing all of the flavors. They're doing 5,000 of each, roughly, this time around. We ordered more than that, but because they're so backlogged, they're going to give us some of our stuff and then come back and finish the rest of it in like March. So, and we should have enough samples to last us until March. But regardless of that, one of my key priorities for today is to work on the packaging for the samples so that we can get more of the packaging for the samples printed so that we can have more of the samples made in March. So it would be that they're doing 5,000 now and 5,000 then, but we'll probably have them do 5,000 now and 15,000 then. We'll see. Anyway, this is another one of the shirts. This one is the premium. Looks like exactly the same. It's longer. Has a little bit better fabric though. But anyway, I should get back to work. So I will see you guys on day 29. And
See you tonight.
Oh yeah, that's right. We are doing a Facebook Live tonight.
8:30.
At 8:30.
30.
So normally we do it at 7:30 Mountain Time, but tonight it'll more than likely be that we won't be getting back to our house until 7:30. We have another thing for our kids.
Our girls have a thing.
Our girls have a thing. So anyway, Tuesday nights are usually pretty good for us, but every once in a while something else comes up. So yeah, the Facebook Live should be about an hour late. So, oh man, That means I'm not even gonna try to capture the video
Stinks to be
that
you.
night. I'm just gonna do it. I'll do it tomorrow morning, because normally after we do the Facebook Live, I download the footage off the camera and get it in coding and do all this stuff so that in the morning I can upload it. I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna have to do it all Wednesday morning. So, yeah. Anyway, catch you later.